Hey Chemical Guys family, and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going over the top 5 winter car care essentials for your ride to keep it clean and protected during the winter season. Let's get started. The first product that we're going over is our EcoSmart Waterless Wash and Wax. Now, EcoSmart Waterless Wash and Wax is everything in its name. It's a waterless wash solution and it contains a wax. So what is a waterless wash? A waterless wash is a quick and easy alternative way of washing your car. So just imagine, you don't need buckets, you don't need a foam can, you actually don't even need running water. All you need is this right here, some water to dilute it with, and a Chemical Guy spray nozzle or pump atomizer. And basically what you do with this product is you spray directly onto your car, and you can spray it on a multitude of surfaces. Spray it on paint, glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, taillights, anything that's smooth and glossy, spray it on there. And then what you want to do is you want to wipe it off the surface. Now, the science behind this product is that it emulsifies dirt and road grime from your vehicle, making it safer for you to easily clean it at your own luxury in your own garage, outdoors, wherever you're at. You can use this product anywhere, and that's the beauty about it. And not only that, but it also contains an infused wax. So if you guys look at the bottom of the bottle, you'll see that there is some wax residue in there, which you really want to make sure to shake up the bottle before you start using it, because that wax not only leaves a layer of shine, but it also leaves a layer of protection behind. So not only does it clean your car, but it also helps prevent further grime from not sticking to your car as easily. The next product on the list is a dressing, and I'm not talking about Caesar dressing here, I'm talking about an oil-based dressing. But this right here is our Galactic Black Ultra Wet Dressing. And Galactic Black is basically going to rejuvenate the plastic and rubber and vinyl surface. It's going to restore it, it's going to make it shine, and it's going to protect it against the elements. Now, why an oil-based dressing, you may ask? Well, oil-based dressings have the tendency of having hydrophobic properties, which Galactic Black does have. Now, the reason that you want to use this product as opposed to any other water-based dressing is because this oil-based dressing will not break down when it comes into contact with water. So what I mean by that is this actually helps repel water from sticking, and I'll show you guys some clips right now of what the water looks like when it hits your treated surfaces that are treated with Galactic Black, especially on your tires and on your plastic trim. The third product that we have is our Extreme Top Coat Sealant with Carnauba. Now this right here, if you guys have not heard about this product or used this product, you guys are sleeping on it because this thing is incredible. Now I'm gonna tell you why it's incredible, and the reason is because this is a sealant, it's a wax, and it's a glaze all in one product. That's right, you heard me correctly. This right here has micro swirl fillers that will actually help reduce the overall visibility of scratches and swirls, thus making your paint look a lot better and giving it more clarity and shine. And it also is a sealant, which means that it's going to provide durable protection against the elements. Now, yes, we did use EcoSmart Waterless Wash and Wax, which contains a wax, but hey, there's no such thing as too much protection. So that's why we went ahead and layered it with our Extreme Top Coat Sealant with Carnauba, because this right here is the ultimate in protection and shine, because it has that glaze aspect to it, it has that sealant aspect to it, and it also has that Carnauba oils that make your ride just glisten and shine. The next product is our Matte Renew. Now, Matte Renew is a cleaner and a protectant for your vinyl and rubber floor mats. For all you guys out there who have expensive, floor mats, I know they're not cheap, and the last thing that you want to do is ruin them by using a traditional degreaser or anything like that. I can actually speak to this from personal experiences. I used a name brand degreaser on my floor mats, sprayed them on there, let it sit for literally 10 seconds, and they were destroyed. With Matte Renew, you do not have to worry about that, because this is a pH balance cleaner that's safe to use on your vinyl and rubber floor mats, which is not going to dry them out, it's not going to crack them, it's not going to discolor them, it's not going to fade them, it's going to clean them safely, and it's also going to help rejuvenate the original look. So if you guys have some rubber or vinyl floor mats that are looking old, dull, and neglected because they've been dirty for so long, this actually helps restore that look, and it also protects your floor mats, keeping it looking great for as long as possible. And that protectant aspect is very important to your rubber and vinyl floor mats, because what are you doing? You're coming out of your car, you're going into your car, you're bringing all the dirt, grime, the salt, the gravel onto your floor mats. It's just staining, it's etching them, and if you're not using the right cleaner, it's not going to be a good day for you at the end of the day. So that's why Matte Renew Cleaner Protectant is one of those vital products for your winter car care season. And the last product that we have is Total Interior, and I know you guys may be wondering, because you guys have maybe already seen Total Interior, why is this a different color? Well, that's because this comes in our new car smell. Fun fact, we actually have four 4 different scents for total interior, which is original, black cherry, new car smell, and exclusive to Detail Garage Store's JDM scent. Now, the reason that we have this product as part of our top 5 winter car care season products is because it's total interior. What more do I need to say? You can use it on basically all of your interior surfaces. So it makes it the ultimate cleaner to just simply maintain the cleanliness of your interior, because you know, accidents happen. You're on the road, you're spilling coffee, maybe the kids in the back have juice, hot chocolate. I don't know what people are drinking during the winter season, but whatever it is, you want to make sure that you have a cleaner ready on hand, ready for any kind of detailing emergencies. And that's going to wrap it up for our top 5 products for the winter car care season. These have been just a handful of the products that we selected. Obviously, we have plenty more products, but I decided to just highlight these for today's video. If you guys want to pick up any of the products that you guys see on today's video, you can pick them up on our website, chemicalguys.com, or if you want to pick it up in time just for the holidays, make sure to visit your local Detail Garage store. Link is going to be in the description down below to find your nearest location. And as always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.